Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, oh my goodness me, I've got some completions to show you from Fansells, which are all these wonderful things. This one was in a PR package and was sent to me free of charge by Fansells. And these three I did purchase in my huge haul that I got earlier. I think it was in October. So if you check out my Fansells playlist, up there, you will see all the full unboxings and everything, and going through the gems and measurements and things of these. But I've had this downstairs on my display with all my snowmen, and it suddenly dawned on me, I've got another advent calendar to open. So this is a wooden box that is just literally a beautiful wooden box to use either after Christmas or keep for each Christmas. That has a nice handle on it to open it up. It has an advent calendar in it at the moment, but once the advent calendar is finished, then we can go on and use the box. As I said, I did say I would try a tin of biscuits in it, or a packet of, you know, those biscuits that used to go in tins, but we don't tend to get tins quite so much anymore, if you know what I mean. So we'll open that advent calendar on this video as well. Yay! But this is absolutely stunning. It did come with the floral decoration to put underneath the little handle there, and plenty of gems left over as well. Yes, loads and loads of gems. No DMC codes or anything. So yeah, we will just do a generic kitting down on this one. But it's a mixture of your standard acrylic drills and your crystals and your pearls and everything. And it's got hot pink on it as well, so I couldn't resist. But is this not just one of the happiest little snow girls that you've ever seen? It's definitely a girl, because she's got really nice little eyelashes. And that little nose there. And it just sparkles so much. Look at the sparkle on this. Really, really pretty. What I did as well, because there was quite a large area around the handle, then I've actually put some sealer or magic glue or something like that that stays sticky to put your gems on with, and just put the handle in the middle. So it was covering too much of the face. I didn't like the fact that the flower was covering so much of the face, but then I didn't want a big gap where there was no gems. So I have just filled in with the spare white gems that we had. So yeah, but look how pretty that is, and all the pearls, and oh, it's gorgeous. I just love this. The colours, I mean, they're very pastel-y actually for Christmas. And I am usually a red, green and gold girl, I must admit, for Christmas, but this is just gorgeous. So yes, very, very pleased with that one. Well worth the money. It's a lovely box as well. And we'll see what's in the advent calendar in a moment. I've finished my little Santa over the rooftop scene. It's quite a limited colour palette on this, but I think it works really, really well with the reds and greens being so prominent on this. So yeah, and then the little Santa, look, with his reindeers running along. That one's looking backwards. Look, they're going to crash, aren't they? You know, if you keep looking backwards at what this one's doing or talking to this one, I don't think they've even noticed that the others are missing. So that's on an acrylic stand, but I will probably be using a command strip or something to put it on the wall. It just depends what room I've got. I have got most of my decorations up now. Now then, this is one of my favourites. This is just stunning. I am so pleased I got this one. That owl, it's just so bejeweled, and look how shiny and gorgeous it is with that light. Thank you for all the suggestions as well about putting the tea light behind and how to put the tea light behind. I think I'm definitely going to try that idea. It was going on the wall, but I'm not sure now, so we'll see how we get on. I just need to take the cover sheet off. I think I've done possibly one side. I just need to get the other side off. Which side have I done? Let me have a... Oh no, I don't think I've done either side. Get this off here. Yeah, you want your... Oh, that made a good sound. I love that sound. Yeah, you can tell. If you feel sort of the acrylic side without the cover sheet on, you can feel that it's like smooth and a little bit cool to the touch, whereas the side that's got the cover sheet on is just that little bit sort of duller to the touch and a little bit more textured. So Doing this with your nails isn't the best idea. That's quite possibly why I don't have any nails at the moment, because I'm doing silly things like this. You just need to get it hooked in one place, and then once you get a little bit off, the rest will come too. Yay! So there you are. Ta-da! It's completely clear now. Look, it's disappeared. Oh, where's it gone? Little stand, so we can put the owl in its stand as well. Oops, helps if you put it in the middle, Liz. Let's stand it down. Some of them are a little bit tricky to put into the stands. Just give them a little bit of a wiggle, or just put one end in first, and they will eventually go in. You don't want it to be loose, otherwise every time somebody walks past it, it'll fall out, and that's no good to anybody. Right, and then finally, if you remember my little gift bags that I got, set of 8 little gift bags. Well, they're like a cross between a box and a bag. So you just make them all up and fold the bottoms in. The big piece goes on first, and the 2 side pieces go on there, and then that piece just slots in there, and it's made a little bag box. Excellent. And then we've got all of these wonderful little characters and pictures to put on the front. So we've got the 2 snowmen, the happy jolly Santa with the teddy, the Christmas bells ding dong ding dong. I love how that one's turned out with all the ABs there on and the candy canes going round. I think that one is really, really pretty. We've got Santa's sleigh. Again, teddy bear makes an appearance. And another Santa with another teddy bear. Look at that. I just love how we've got all the specials on these. There's so many special drills, special shapes. And then we've got a candle and a Christmas tree. And I love the Christmas tree. Look, it's got a Santa and a little gingerbread man and a snowman on it. So it's a good tree, this one. And then it's got a bauble there and all the candy canes as well. So I think this must be a really big tree. I know it's only small here, but I think in real life it would be a huge tree to have all that on it. And this great big gem here. So yeah, plenty left over. Had 2 ABs in this kit as well. That's your iridescent coated standard gems. So you get that extra sparkle. Look, all on there. All that sparkle at that yellow at the bottom. You can see it picks up all the different colours. So yeah, really, really happy, pleased, well worth the money, all these things that I got. And yeah, they will be all getting made up, and I will be putting lots of little Christmas presents in those for people. So very useful. We do like something that's useful as well as decorative. So right, let's have a look what's in this advent calendar. We've got 5 to open today. I said I've forgotten all about it, so I don't want to spoil the picture just yet. So let's start off. We'll just cut the edges with my little knife, just so that we can make it a little bit easier. Okay, and number 2, oops, is there. Okay, oh, missed that one. Okay, and where's number 3? Number 3 is down here. Oh, it does look like they come off completely, to be fair. I think that one's going to come down that way, so okay. Maybe that's what number 2 does as well. Maybe I should have done number 2 that way. That one possibly lifts up. That made me jump out of my skin. The window cleaner's just arrived, and his great big stick with all the water's just hit the window. And he'll be looking through the window thinking, why is she talking to herself? Oh my goodness. Right, number 4's there, so sorry about the noise. I'm going to carry on. So I want to get these open now. I've started, so I'll finish. And where is number 5? Number 5 slap bang in the middle. Okay, oh, this feels really wrong to be cutting Santa up. But he looks quite happy about it. All right, so number 1. What have we got in number 1? Oh, we've got a present. Okay, we have a little present. Oh, that's cute. They've got little like Christmas decorations. You know, if you're doing sort of, I don't know, if you're doing a decoration, you want to cover your base of things up, you can put your little presents on your base of things there. So that's number 1. number 2. Okay, oops. Just get my knife underneath there so that I can just open it up. Oh, we'll lift it up that way. Oh, what's number 2? Oh, we've got a bell, I think. Oh, we've got a bell. Oh, that's pretty. So it hasn't got a clacker in it, so it's not going to ring. But I suppose if you had a ringing bell inside an advent calendar, yeah, you would know what it was straight away, wouldn't you? So we've got a pretty bell. These are quite cute. I mean, they're just extras to the box. I think I would probably have paid the money for the box, to be fair. And having the advent calendar inside is just like an added bonus. Right, number 3 was down here, wasn't it? So number 3. Oh, so it looks like they're all going to be Christmas decorations for a tree, or to decorate, or to put on if you've made your own wreath. You know, if you've got something like this, you could put them all in amongst your wreath and they would look really good. All very Christmassy, red, green and gold colours. So yeah, okay, so that's number 3. That's like a polystyrene ball covered in glitter. Oh, and the glitter is coming off, sadly. So that's not good. If you don't like glitter, having glitter coming off isn't good. But it's very sparkly. And number 4, just open this one. What's number 4? And number 4 is like a red glitter ball. Woo! Okay, they're not the best Christmas decorations, but they are still very sparkly and very nice. And then last one for today then is number 5. So we'll see. Oh, huge presents. Okay. Oh, doesn't want to come out. Gosh, that's, oh, goodness me, I don't know how they got that in there. Oh, I suppose they did it and then put the lid on. So yeah, you've got your presents. These would look quite nice, as I say, if you've got something like this as a decoration. If we then get, say, another smaller one or another bigger one, and just put a little bauble with it or something, just make it more of a little display at the bottom. Yeah, okay, just a bit of fun. Not the most exciting advent calendar we've ever had, but I must admit, back in the day, I've had some that have been more disappointing than this. So but I still love the box. If I'd have just got an advent calendar and it just had these in and I'd paid £20, I would be like, no. But the fact that you get to keep the box and you've got the lid as well for afterwards and for many Christmases to come, hopefully, then yeah, I think it's good value. And this is just a bit of fun, and these are useful for your little decorations. If I'm honest, I would have preferred cute and cuddly or little cover minders or something, but that would probably have bumped the price up. So yeah, these are okay. I do like the bell. I do like that. I suppose I could always put my own little clacker in there, because you have got a hole through there that you can thread through the bottom and put something in. Thinking, just not enough hours in a day. Okay, well, a huge thank you to Fansells for sending me this beautiful owl. As I say, I did buy all the others myself, and I did really want to see what this one was like, and I think it's excellent. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions, comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, I'm probably going to go and pay the window cleaner now. Now that he's made me jump out of my skin. I have got my other advent calendar unboxing as well, so now I have 3 advent calendars to open. 4 if you count Millie Moo's, because she has hers downstairs, and 5 if you count hubby's, he has his as well. So yeah, there's a lot of advent calendars in this house. It takes a long time to do. Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow for the unboxing of the advent calendars. I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.